वेलकम स्टूडेंट्स टू अवर यूट्यूब चैनल कविताज स्टडी अड्डा। स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम इस वीडियो में देखेंगे क्लास 7 साइंस का चैप्टर 4 हीट। क्वेश्चन 1, स्टेट सिमिलैरिटीज एंड डिफरेंसेस बिटवीन द लेबोरेटरी थर्मोमीटर एंड द क्लिनिकल थर्मोमीटर। आंसर, सिमिलैरिटीज। फर्स्ट, बोथ thermometers consist of long, narrow, uniform glass tubes. Second, both have a bulb at one end. Third, both contain mercury in bulb. Fourth, both use Celsius scale on the glass tube. Differences: laboratory thermometer. The range of laboratory thermometer is -10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. A clinical thermometer reads temperature 35 degrees Celsius to 45 degrees Celsius. There is no kink in the laboratory thermometer. Clinical thermometer has a kink near the bulb. Question 2. Give two examples each of conductors and insulators of heat. Conductors: aluminium, iron. Insulators: plastic, wood. Question 3. Fill in the blanks. The hotness of an object is determined by its dash. Answer: temperature. B. Temperature of boiling water cannot be measured by a dash thermometer. Answer: clinical. C. Temperature is measured in degree dash. Answer: Celsius. D. No medium is required for transfer of heat by the process of dash. Answer: radiation. Next, a cold steel spoon is dipped in a cup of hot milk. It transfers heat to its other end by the process of dash. Answer: conduction. Cloths of dash colors absorb heat better than cloths of light colors. Answer: dark. Match the following. Column A, column B. Land breeze blows during. Answer: night. Sea breeze blows during. Answer: day. Dark colored cloths are preferred during. Answer: winter. Light colored cloths are preferred during. Answer: summer. Question 5. Discuss why wearing more layers of clothing during winters keeps us warmer than wearing just one thick piece of clothing. Answer: more layers of clothing keep us warm in winters as they have a lot of space between them. This space gets filled up with air. Air is a bad conductor. It does not allow the body heat to escape out. Question 6. Look at figure. Mark where the heat is being transferred by conduction, by convection, and by radiation. Heat is transferred by convection on the handle of utensil, transfer by conductor by water, and transfer by radiation by flame. Question 7. In places of hot climate, it is as advised that the outer walls of houses be painted white. Explain. Answer: in places of hot climate, it is advised that the outer wall of houses be painted white because white color reflects heat and the houses do not heat up too much. Question 8. 1 liter of water at 30 degrees Celsius is mixed with 1 liter of water at 50 degrees Celsius. The temperature of the mixture will be: A. 80 degrees Celsius. B. More than 50 degrees Celsius but less than 80 degrees Celsius. C. 20 degrees Celsius. D. Between 30 degrees Celsius and 50 degrees Celsius. Answer D. Between 30 degrees Celsius and 50 degrees Celsius. Question 9. An iron ball at 40 degrees Celsius is dropped in a mug containing water at 40 degrees Celsius. The heat will be A. Flow from iron ball to water, not flow from iron ball to water or from water to iron ball. C. Flow from water to iron ball. D. Increase the temperature of both. Answer B. Not flow from iron ball to water or from water to iron ball. Question 10. A wooden spoon is dipped in a cup of ice cream. Its other end. Option A. Becomes cold by the process of conduction. Becomes cold by the process of convection. Becomes cold by the process of radiation. Option D. Does not become cold. Answer. Does not become cold. Because wood is insulator of heat. Question 11. Stainless steel pans are usually provided with copper bottom. The reason for this could be that option A. Copper bottom makes the pen more durable. B. Such pens appear colorful. C. Copper is a better conductor of heat than the stainless steel. D. Copper is easier to clean than the stainless steel. Answer option C. Copper is better conductor of heat than the stainless steel. Extra questions, very short answer type questions. Question 1. While constructing a house in a coastal area, in which direction should the windows preferably face and why? Answer. Window should preferably towards the sea beach so that the sea breeze coming from sea keeps the house cool during the daytime. Question 2. The mercury does not fall or rise in a clinical thermometer when taken out of the mouth. Explain why. Answer. Because of the kink present in the thermometer, the mercury does not fall or rise. Question 3. If a pan is removed from the fire, then why does it cool down? Answer. When a pan is removed from the fire, it loses heat to the surroundings by radiation and it cool down. Question 4. Name the mode of transfer of heat in which medium is not required. Answer. Radiation is the mode of transfer of heat in which medium is not required. Question 4. How does the heat travel in air? Answer. Heat travels in air through convection. Question 5. We are advised to use an umbrella when we go out in the sun. Comment. Answer. We use an umbrella to protect us from heat coming from the sun in the form of radiation. Question 6. The handle of a pressure cooker is covered with thick plastic. Explain why. Answer. As we know that plastic is a bad conductor of heat, due to which the heat from the cooker does not flow to its handle and we can hold it easily. So this is the reason why the handle of a pressure cooker is covered with thick plastic. Question 7. Explain the differences between heat and temperature. Answer. The differences between heat and temperature are given as below. Heat. It refers to the amount of energy present in a body. Temperature. It is the measure of the heat's intensity. SI unit of heat is Joule. SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. Heat is the total kinetic and potential energy which the molecules in an object contains. मीन्स किसी ऑब्जेक्ट में जो मॉलिक्यूल्स होते हैं उसकी काइनेटिक एनर्जी एंड पोटेंशियल एनर्जी का सम हीट कहलाता है. सेकेंड, इट इज़ द एवरेज काइनेटिक एनर्जी ऑफ द मॉलिक्यूल प्रेजेंट इन एन ऑब्जेक्ट. जो टेम्परेचर होता है वो किसी मॉलिक्यूल में प्रेजेंट काइनेटिक एनर्जी का एवरेज होता है. इट फ्लोज फ्रॉम अ हॉटर ऑब्जेक्ट टू अ कूलर ऑब्जेक्ट. Temperature, it rises when we heat it and falls when we cool it. Question 8. Draw a well-labeled diagram of clinical thermometer. Students, यहाँ पर clinical thermometer शो हो रहा है जिसमें एक ग्लास ट्यूब होती है और आगे की तरफ एक बल्ब लगा होता है जिसमें मरकरी, जो कि रूम टेम्परेचर पर लिक्विड मेटल है, वो भरा हुआ होता है और एक किंक होता है. स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा. यदि आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया तो आप इसको लाइक कर सकते हैं, शेयर कर सकते हैं एंड इसी टाइप के और वीडियोस पाने के लिए आप हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.